All right, this is the last lesson in the paradiddle section of our rudiments. This is the paradiddlediddle. And now I know you're all super smart and totally rocking on your paradiddle, so you know that is one section of singles and then two diddles. Right, left, right, right, left, left. It's important to think about, though, what else is similar to this? I think of a paradiddlediddle almost as an inversion of a 6-stroke roll. It's the same sticking. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the paradiddlediddle, the way we're going to play it, it starts on the downbeat, which is why we delineate it from a 6-stroke roll, which has a pickup note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. Paradiddlediddle is going to go paradiddlediddle, paradiddlediddle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now again, this one's cool because we have double motion happening. We have hand coming up, and you need to be fluid with your motion in a paradiddlediddle. So think about when each hand needs to come up. So the last diddle, the hand that's playing the accent to downbeat needs to already be in the air. Paradiddle up, paradiddle up, paradiddle up, paradiddle up. Left hand, paradiddle up. Paradiddlediddle is an amazing rudiment once you start using it on drum set. It's so versatile. There's so many cool things you can do with the paradiddlediddle. And in fact, I think the 4 paradiddle rudiments we've worked on are just, it's a masterpiece. They should be put in a museum. Like, they're my favorite rudiments. So practice them and really focus on the motion of the paradiddle. The stickings of these 4 rudiments aren't really that difficult, but the way you use them and the way you move is what makes them timeless, in my opinion. So that's the end of the single stroke and double stroke roll segment of rudiments. In the next lessons, we're going to start talking about flam rudiments. We'll see you there.